everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Emily. I'm here with Alice and Diana, my two rescue dogs. In today's video, we have a DAVIDsTEA haul video to share with you. It's been such a long time since I've done a proper DAVIDsTEA haul. I think this past year, it was so busy with school, like it was go, 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 go. And then if you've been kind of following me over on my Instagram at fashionstoryteller or my pet account at PawFictElla, it's just been a lot of health stuff going on with my little Alice, so it's just been busy. But needless to say, I have had lots of tea orders. I just haven't had time to film. And I often will try to save the box, like and not open it right away. Because I'm like, oh, maybe I'll find some time. And then I just don't. And then I'm like, I need to enjoy the tea. So in this video, we're going to finally take a look at the teas I ordered. It's a smaller haul, but it has a tea that is like hands down my absolute favorite black tea ever. So I'm really excited to share this with you. You may know it if you've been on my channel for a while, but we'll get right on in. So if you're ready, make sure to grab your own, of course, delicious cup of tea. I'm having some green passionfruit tea from DAVIDsTEA. It's really lovely green tea summer blend. It's just really, it's just good. It's nice and fruity. It's great iced. I'm having it hot. And yeah, let me know down below what you are enjoying, what beverage you're enjoying. Hopefully it is a tea too, and we can have tea together virtually. So virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. All right, so I am very excited because my favorite black tea from DAVIDsTEA, like of all time, is their Christmas morning tea. Now I have actually already ordered this tea. I think it was like a couple weeks before I placed this order because I found out they brought it back, but they just renamed it as Royal Vanilla. And I stocked up on it. You guys, I have a whole, a large tin of it that I already ordered, and I'm already going through it because I'm so happy they didn't bring this back at Christmas time during the holiday season. I was so sad. I had a tiny bit left, and if I had known they weren't going to bring it back, I would have crazy stocked up on it. It was in the 24 Days of Tea Advent calendar, but they didn't launch it with their other Christmas collection, which I was kind of sad about. I don't know if they were just recycling older teas from the calendars. I'm not sure, but I was so sad. So when I saw this tea pop up on the website, they called it Royal Vanilla. I'm like, I wonder if that would be at all close to Christmas morning. I looked at the ingredients and it's the exact same. They just changed the name. And it tastes the same. It's so good. So let's open up this DAVIDsTEA haul. This was it 30% off sale? I'm trying to remember what sale it was. I think it was 25% off or 30% off. It was a really quick, kind of a really quick flash sale type thing. Just little promo things inside. And then yeah, here is all the tea. Let's show you guys. I got 3 different types of teas. They probably won't come as a surprise if you followed my DAVIDsTEA haul. This is why it's you guys will probably know these teas, but they're so good. So I'll start off with showing the Royal Vanilla, aka Christmas Morning. I think I'm going to use both names interchangeably because I love the name Christmas Morning, but it's such a great tea. It totally makes sense to me why DAVIDsTEA rebranded the name to make it an everyday name, so you would enjoy this whenever you want. I think in my heart it's probably going to be Christmas Morning during the Christmas holiday season, and then after it'll just be known as my Royal Vanilla tea maybe. It is so good. So what is inside of it? It has black tea, natural flavoring, white cornflower blossoms, and vanilla. It just, if you like vanilla, I'm sometimes hit or miss with vanilla. How this is with the black tea, it is just a luxurious tasting tea. I honestly think the term Christmas morning, that is exactly what it brings up to me when I'm enjoying it. It just tastes cozy, it tastes warm, it tastes kind of exciting, magical, and it just feels like a lovely way to start the day. You have a beautiful caffeine boost. It has medium caffeine, so it's not intense amounts of caffeine, but just the right amount that you might need on an early Christmas morning day. And it is just so good. I cannot rave about this tea enough. If you want to try it, I will have a link down below in my description bar and where you can find it on the DAVIDsTEA website. It is just if you love black tea, it is so good. I just highly recommend it. So I ended up ordering, I forget how many of these. I think my last order, I ordered 800 grams of it. I'm not joking. It probably was about 800 grams. And let's just see. I know I stocked up on more. So we got, how much is in one of these? Oh, it doesn't say. this is 50. So we have 50, that's 100, 200. I got extra 300 grams at it being 30% off just to stock me up. I've been having this more daily since it's come back because I have just missed it so much. And yeah, I'm so happy. I also wanted to stock up on it in case it ever goes away again. Like, I want to make sure I'm well stocked up. It is definitely a tea I can see myself continue to have more daily, not every day, but definitely some mornings. I really do love to have my morning cup of matcha in the morning. So, but every once in a while I like to have a black tea too or something, or like a little, you know, afternoon pick me up. This is what, whoops, I'm hitting myself with the tea. This is what I'm going to be enjoying. So that is the first tea that I got. Spent enough time talking about it. I'd love to know if you've tried it. Let me know your thoughts about it down below. Do you love it as much as me? I'd love to know. All right, I'm going to take a sip of tea because I'm chatting so much. And there we go, all about Royal Vanilla Christmas morning tea. Now the next two teas you've definitely seen on my channel before. They're both green teas. So let me just pull them out here. So I ordered the Silk Dragon Jasmine green tea. I ordered, let's just see, I think there's 50 in these two. Yeah, so 250 grams is what I ordered of the Silk Dragon Jasmine tea. I have all the tea sachets right here. This is such a lovely tasting tea. Inside of it, there's organic Chinese green tea. And it also has a little hint of jasmine flowers. It's scented with jasmine flowers. And there's something about it that I find is calming, I think because of the jasmine notes, but also energizing. It's definitely a tea when I'm writing an essay or a paper. It is one that I'm enjoying. If I'm studying, it's one that I like to have. I think it has medium caffeine, about the same actually as a Christmas morning, but I don't know, green tea just hits me different. I find like the caffeine is just more, more stable in a way, like it lasts longer, but you don't get like that super huge kick and then it crash. Like it kind of just sustains you. I think that's a good word, sustains you longer through the day. So, and I like to re-steep this like 1 to 2 more times after I steeped it the first time. So it's kind of a little bit more decaffeinated by that point, but it is so good. So I got, yeah, this is organic Silk Dragon Jasmine green tea. David's tea, a lovely tea if you love your green teas, especially your Chinese green teas. It is so good. All right, and then the last tea that I have to share with you is one you've definitely seen on my channel before. I used my frequent steeper points to redeem this because it tends to be a little bit more pricier. I think it's around 20-ish dollars Canadian. So I got 50 grams. It is the Butterfly Jasmine tea. I love making this tea. Now, it is similar to the Silk Dragon Jasmine tea, but the difference is in the level of caffeine and actually a little bit of the taste. It's a little lighter in taste. It does have the Chinese green tea scented with the jasmine flower, so very similar again to the Silk Dragon Jasmine, but it does just have a lower caffeine to it. Tastes a little bit lighter. I almost need to try them like side by side and try them just to give you a true, like how do they differ in taste. But this one from my memory, it's lighter tasting. And it's also just really pretty. They're like kind of in like this bulb-like state. So when you pour your warm water over it, it just starts to kind of open up. Not like a flower tea where it like blossoms, but it like kind of opens up. And there's just something so peaceful about making this tea and just watching the leaves open. And it's just a very mindful practice that I love, especially with this one. And then basically, you guys, we got through it all. It's a very quick haul. I just really wanted to film a David's tea haul because it has just been a minute. And I'm always drinking all the tea, as you all know, like all the time. And I especially love filming my tea videos. I've definitely been doing a lot of Omoda tea videos. If you guys have seen those, like I love their tea subscription boxes. So I've been filming those and enjoying those. And they're more like a vertical style video. But for whatever reason, sometimes it just feels like I'm like, oh, the horizontal, like I want to like make sure like it looks really nice and everything. And now I've just been like, you know what, if I have a little bit of time, you know, I'm just going to show you what I got for tea. I might not have time to like film making each tea and all that all the time, but it's just nice to chat with you about tea because I just love it so much. If you ended up ordering anything from the David's tea sales, because they did, I think it was a 30% off sale, might have been 25, and then they had another 20% off sale, I think, just a couple weeks prior to that because I ordered Royal Vanilla both times during that. Now that I'm back as a full-time student, I'm a lot more like shopping with sales and stuff to stock up on my favorite teas. So yeah, I was so excited to get the royal vanilla Christmas morning. I think that's the big takeaway from this video. You got to try this. It's so good. I love it. If you think there is a tea though that you think I might love or you recommend, let me know down below. And yeah, definitely let me know if you stocked up on any of your favorites during the sales. I'd love to know. I just love trying all the different teas, so definitely let me know your tea recommendations. Besides David's Tea, I've also been shopping more locally at different local tea vendors. I love supporting local or small business. It's really special to me, and the teas are so good. Sometimes the flavors, they're just really good, the different notes and things that they put in, so I've been enjoying that. I'm starting to get low on my ceremonial matcha from Paragon Tea Room. I think you guys know I love that. That's like my go-to ceremonial matcha. I might need to order that soon, but yeah, it's tough on a student budget. Like I'm always like, okay, we need to get this, we need to do that, all that. Speaking of matcha, I also really need to go through some of my flavored DAVIDsTEA matchas. It's been a minute since I've had some. I think I've been really enjoying the toasted marshmallow one. And I think I have had some with the cherry blossom, but I haven't had my peach one yet. I love making that one iced, so I definitely need to get on that. Anyway, I am done rambling to you. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing a look at the different teas I picked out from DAVIDsTEA. I'm wishing you all a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now and take care.